So this is a combination, but biryani lovers just eat biryani. It's really tasting good. With this, it is really very spicy. The onion taste and hey folks, welcome back to CSK Vlogs and hope you guys are doing good. As I told you, I'll be starting an early morning vlog. So I've dropped down to a place in Chennai. I don't know the exact area name and all. So I'll be mentioning in the description. But as of now, I don't know the area name because area names are really very difficult to say. So here we have dropped down to a place named called KGN Arifa Biryani. So these people, they open around some 3 o'clock in the morning. Only they'll be selling the biryani. Biryani is like crazy sale over in this place, and they are really very famous for only for biryani. They'll be selling 3 types of biryani: beef, chicken, mutton. As of now, only one biryani they have, that is chicken biryani. So let's go inside and taste chicken biryani. It's almost like 8 o'clock. I was a bit late. Previous day traveling in train, my body is completely strained up. So I got a plate, and by the time I reached here, it took almost like 1 hour for me. So let's go inside and check out. So here is chicken biryani. They have served downside in a banana leaf on top biryani. Forget about this paper. So I asked them for an extra paper. So let's start up the biryani. This is Arnold. So he is the one who introduced this place to me. So Arnold is trying beef biryani. Come on, Arnold, let's start.
Let's begin.
I have got one full egg also. The biryani is super hot and spicy. They have used basmati rice and one leg piece. The piece is really very soft. They have used slightly ghee. The garam masala has been added. And they have slightly used this tomato puree. How about beef?
Beef is good. Meat is tender.
Okay.
And having beef biryani early morning is like no words.
So beef is a common stuff in Tamil Nadu.
Yes.
Wherever you go, you find
common.
beef.
Any part of
It's not like Karnataka. So Tamil Nadu, you find beef everywhere. So only biryani they'll be selling early morning.
no beef biryani and beef sukka as well. Oh, and beef cutlets.
Cutlets, early morning.
Early morning you get.
Only beef.
Only beef.
No chicken, no mutton.
No, you get chicken and mutton, but
We have to come early.
yes.
This shop is open at 3 o'clock, right?
No, weekdays they open at 4.
Okay.
Sundays they open at 3 o'clock.
Great. But yes, biryani taste is really good, and they have given us some chutney also. So it is something in
Onion, garlic chutney.
this one, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So let us try this. Have this, no? Biryani is not so spicy also. Anyone can eat, but the slightly tomato flavor is quite dominating in this. Slightly they have used ghee. Onion paste. So this is a combination, but biryani lovers just eat biryani. It's really tasting good. With this, it is really very spicy. The onion taste and tamarind. I think they have used tamarind also.
Yeah.
Tamarind tanginess is there.
Yeah,
But onions, raw onions is a very good taste for this kinds of biryani. And the aroma part is quite good. What's the price of chicken biryani now?
yeah, it's 80.
80.
Half chicken biryani, 80 rupees.
Okay, full?
It is 160.
160. And how many pieces of chicken? 1, 2. 2 pieces of chicken. For half, 2 big pieces of chicken. Oh, that's good. Finally finished my biryani. The biryani was great. Early morning loading carbs in Chennai. It's like a common thing, I can say. people who works for BPO sectors or IT sectors, especially for night shift, they'll be dropping early morning to have biryani over here. So again, the crowd is getting formed, so only I came out. So I just thought to speak out because inside the noise pollution is really very more because of crowd. And this location is in Vyasarpati Road. That time I was saying I don't know the area name and all. So I just inquired. It's Vyasarpati Road, proper North Chennai. You can find lot of street food in this area. So this biryani store is really famous in this area, and price list will be mentioned in the description part as well as location. I can't make restaurant owner speak because there is lot of communication problem. I know perfect Kannada and I know perfect English, but Tamil I know, but I can understand. But if I need to speak, I'm struggling a lot. Anyhow guys, the biryani was fantastic. There is lot more to cover up, and in meanwhile I can cover it up because I need to log into office also. If you people like this video, please do like, share and comment. Catch you up in the next vlog. Till then, bye, take care, see ya.